Bank trading platforms are usually more secure and professional than basic retail apps. They often offer access to global stock markets, Forex, ETFs, futures, options, and advanced charting tools. First, interactive brokers, also known as IBKR. Even though it's technically a broker and not a traditional bank, many professionals consider it the gold standard for trading. Why traders love IBKR? Very low fees, access to over 150 global markets, stocks, ETFs, Forex, options and futures, advanced professional tools. This platform is often used by day traders, swing traders and even hedge fund professionals. But IBKR can feel overwhelming for complete beginners. Next is Saxo Bank, one of the most respected trading banks in Europe. Saxo is based in Denmark and combines banking with professional trading. Why many people choose Saxo? Beautiful interface, strong security, professional charting, access to over 70,000 instruments, and beginner-friendly compared to IBKR. Many traders say IBKR is more professional, but Saxo is easier and more comfortable to use. Then we have Swissquote, a Swiss bank focused on premium investing and trading. Swissquote is known for very high security, Swiss banking regulation, multi-currency accounts, and long-term investing. This platform is popular among investors with larger portfolios who value safety more than low trading fees. So which platform is best for you? If you want low fees, advanced tools, and serious trading, go with interactive brokers. If you want better design, easier navigation, and a banking experience, Saxo Bank is a great choice. And if your top priority is security and wealth management, Swissquote may be the best option. If you want more beginner-friendly videos about trading, investing, AI trading tools, and financial platforms, subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments which trading platform are you using right now. Thank you for watching.